Looking for the perfect compact drone that's easy to carry but powerful enough to capture stunning aerial footage? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best compact drones, lightweight, travel-friendly, and packed with pro-level features. Whether you're a beginner or a creator on the go, these drones deliver big performance in a small package. Let's take off. Number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone with 4K camera. Meet the DJI Neo Mini Drone, the ultra-light 135G powerhouse that proves big creativity can come in a tiny package. Weighing even less than your smartphone, this drone doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID, making it perfect for beginners, travelers, and casual flyers. DJI includes everything you need right out of the box, and after a quick activation using the DJI Fly app, downloaded directly from DJI's official website, you're ready to launch. One of Neo's coolest features is palm takeoff and landing. Just hold up your hand, tap a button, and this little flyer lifts off effortlessly, no controller required. With voice control, app control, or an RC option, anyone can fly it. And when it comes to content creation, Neo shines. Its subject tracking and 8 quick-shot modes let you shoot dynamic, professional-looking clips without any experience. Thanks to 4K ultra-stabilized video and level 4 wind resistance, you'll get smooth, gorgeous footage whether you're hiking, kayaking, or vlogging on a breezy day. Full coverage propeller guards also give new pilots peace of mind when flying indoors or through tight spaces. Pros: ultra light, no registration required. 4K stabilized footage plus strong wind resistance. Controller-free palm takeoff and smart tracking. Con: DJI Fly app must be downloaded manually, not on Google Play. Number 2. Ruko F11PRO Compact Drone with 6K Camera. The Ruko F11PRO2 is built for capturing life's best moments in stunning detail, from backyard celebrations to holiday memories that deserve more than a quick snapshot. Its upgraded 6K photo capability and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video make every frame look cinematic, thanks to a premium image sensor lens that delivers richer textures and truer colors. Stability is where this drone truly shines. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures silky smooth footage even in windy conditions, giving beginners and pros alike the confidence to fly and film without worry. And with two 35-minute batteries, you get up to 70 minutes of total flight time, perfect for long outdoor adventures. The F11PRO2 also includes a full suite of smart GPS flight modes, Follow Me, Orbit, Cruise Control, and waypoints, making it easy to capture professional-grade aerial shots with minimal effort. Combine that with an impressive 10,000-foot transmission range, and you've got a drone built for exploration. Night flyers will appreciate the dedicated night mode paired with frame retention technology, delivering beautiful low-light visuals. Pros: sharp 6K photos plus stable 4K per 30 frames per second video. 3-axis gimbal and strong wind resistance. 70-minute battery life with smart GPS modes. Con: must use the Ruko charger to avoid charging issues. Number 3. Potensic GPS Drone with 4K EIS Camera. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight powerhouse designed for creators, travelers, and beginners who want pro-level footage without the hassle. Weighing under 249 g, it bypasses FAA and remote ID registration, and its compact foldable design slips easily into a jacket pocket. Despite its tiny size, this drone stands strong with level 5 wind resistance, thanks to efficient brushless motors that keep flight smooth and stable. For visuals, the Atom SE delivers impressive clarity with a 4K EIS camera powered by a Sony CMOS sensor, capturing 12MP photos and crisp 4K per 30 frames per second video. With shake-vanish stabilization and a 118 degrees wide field of view, the footage comes out sharp, steady, and cinematic. The Surge Fly flight control system makes flying intuitive for beginners, offering standard, video, and sport modes, with sport mode reaching speeds up to 16 meters per second in just 2.8 seconds. Its PixSync 2.0 long-range transmission provides up to 4 kilometers of reliable HD video feed, perfect for exploration. Smart GPS features like auto return, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight add even more fun and safety. Plus, 3 batteries with fast charging give you an impressive 93 minutes of total flight time. Pros: lightweight, no FAA or remote ID needed. 4K EIS Sony camera with excellent stability. 4 km transmission plus smart GPS modes. Con: micro SD card not included for firmware updates. Number 4. Veeniix V11 PRO drone with 8K camera. The Veeniix V11 PRO is a powerhouse built for creators who want maximum detail and cinematic performance from every flight. With its advanced 1/2 CMOS sensor, this drone captures stunning 8K photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video, letting you record breathtaking landscapes with clarity that truly stands out. The built-in 5x digital zoom also helps you get closer to the action without sacrificing quality. One of its biggest strengths is reliability. The upgraded system delivers 6 km FPV digital transmission, giving you a stable, secure feed that keeps the drone in view even during long-range flights. And with 2 40-minute batteries, you get a massive 80 minutes of total flight time, complete with fast PD 3.0 charging and automatic 48-day battery discharge protection. The V11 PRO takes footage stability to the next level with its 3-axis gimbal paired with EIS, ensuring silky smooth shots in every environment. Intelligent features like waypoint flight, point of interest, and cruise control make filming intuitive for both beginners and pros. Safety is also a priority. A TOF sensor, vision positioning system, navigation lights, and auto return keep every flight secure. Pros: incredible 8K photos plus 4K per 30 frames per second video. 3-axis gimbal plus EIS for ultra-smooth footage. 80-minute total flight time. Con: 8K files require large storage and fast SD cards. Number 5. Plegble Compact Drone with EIS 4K camera. The Plegble Compact Drone is built for creators who want simplicity, stability, and stunning visuals, all without needing a smartphone. Its standout feature is the 5.0-inch HD screen built directly into the controller, giving you instant, zero-latency FPV. You can preview photos, watch videos, format your SD card, and fly smoothly with no apps or syncing required. When it comes to capturing footage, this drone delivers crisp 4K at 30 FPS video and sharp 3840 by 2160 photos through a 130 degrees wide-angle lens and adjustable tilt. Paired with EIS stabilization and optical flow positioning, your shots stay smooth and steady even on breezy days. Smart GPS features like Smart Return to Home, Signal Loss Return, Low Battery Return, and GPS Position Lock help keep flights safe and controlled. For creativity on the go, you get intelligent modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Fly, and Circle Flight, making hands-free filming effortless. With dual modular batteries offering up to 70 minutes of total flight time, plus USB-C fast charging, this drone is ready for long adventures. Weighing under 249 g with a foldable design and level 5 wind resistance, it's perfect for travel and outdoor use. Pros: built-in 5-inch FPV screen, no phone required. Stable 4K footage with EIS. 70-minute total flight time. Con: no app option limits advanced customization for some users.